Hello, welcome to the channel. Been working on a project last week and a half, and pretty well almost got it done. Figured I'd show you guys. There's the foreman for the chicken coop. That's Alice. She's a good helper. But the project was this 10 foot by 12 foot chicken coop, or chicken tractor is what a lot of people would call it. Spent a time to make it portable with wheels. Still have to do the roof. Getting some roofing from a gentleman at work that he had left over from a project. It's probably about 7 foot tall in the where the ridge cap is. Not for sure if it'll work out. Try to did it on a budget. We'll see how good it works. I was wanting to have free range chickens, but with where we live, there is a woods next by and there is a lot of predators. So free range chickens is kind of out of the question. And this is probably the next best option. That way we could move this chicken coop around every day, every few days, around the yard, pasture, etc. I don't know exactly if the chicken coop will work, but I mean, the worst it could do is we can try and fail and go from there. I know predators could still try to dig underneath the coop. I have seen other people try to use a hot wire, like a solar powered hot wire, but I don't know how the grounding system would work with that. I don't want to have to put a ground rod in every time. I thought about doing like a chain drag, but I doubt that ground would be good enough. I've seen people do like hog panels. Excuse me, girl. I've seen people try to put hog panels here and flip them up once you move it and flip them back down. That way they can't dig underneath it. We have coyotes, coons, foxes, mink. I mean, it's going to be hard to keep these animals out of here. But I don't know if the dog will help try to scare some of the predators away. But we'll live and learn. Or maybe somebody can comment below and tell us what we need to do and see how we can make this predator proof. But yeah, we'll go from there. One other thing that I tried to consider is I know coons are very smart when it comes to chicken coops. So I tried to make this latch to where they couldn't get in here. It's pretty heavy. It's probably 3 or 4 pounds. And that latch is there where you can open the door up with one hand. If you're holding you're probably going to have one hand holding a container to put your eggs in. And then it's a spring return door. Boards all the way around. That way minks can get in anywhere. Used a 3/4 GRC, or it's rigid threaded conduit, which I have access to free scrap conduit with my job. I used pipe flange connectors on each end with a 45-degree bend on each side with a hand bender. Here we have a 3/4 inch all thread going through this 4x4. And then I welded this mechanism with a caster wheel to lift the chicken tractor, which I'll show you here in a few minutes, lifting up each corner and moving the coop. Pretty easy to move. This is the same idea, just different side. 3/4 GRC. There's a rope to pull. Here's Here's the next nesting boxes. I bought these super cheap online. Not for sure if they'll work or if I like them. I could buy this cheaper than I could have made one, so it's one of those deals. We'll figure it out as we go. Same back here, 3/4 GRC, rigid conduit, threaded 3/4 inch pipe flanges. All the way in the back. Same over here. And if we go to the back of the chicken tractor, there's Foreman. We have a 1/2 inch threaded all thread going into this 4x4. 2 pieces of, I think this is 3/16 plate steel, which is also scrap I had on my scrap pile. Have a non-castered wheel. 3/4 inch pipe adapter. This is 3/4 inch GRC rigid pipe going to a union. And then got a long pipe here for leverage because the back is a little heavy, and I was trying to make it easy enough to where even a little kid could do this. So, and there's also 2 heights. There is a lower height if you have smaller chickens or just going in a small area, and there is a taller height, which is pretty easy. See if I can get a recording of this. There's the top level. There's the very top. Don't know if it'll work, but I've gotten pretty rough with it. It's worked so far. I would say the weak link is probably these threads in this, in that flanged pipe connector, but probably also the weak point is the hinge point down here with that 1/2 inch all thread. Same thing, different side. Non-wheeled caster, pipe flange, union, 2 different heights. And the only thing left to do is the roof, and that should be a fairly easy job. I'm gonna try to record a video of me jacking all the corners up and moving this chicken tractor. Here we go. Let us know how we did. Let us know what modifications to do. Comment below what you guys think is best, especially to keep the predators out, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.